The Greater Antilles are a group of islands in the Caribbean Sea that include Cuba, Hispaniola, Jamaica, and Puerto Rico. They are the largest and most populous of the Caribbean islands and have a rich and diverse history, culture, and natural environment. These islands are located in the western part of the Caribbean Sea and are considered the most significant islands in the Caribbean region due to their size, population, and historical importance.
¡Viva Cuba Libre! ¡Viva!
Cuba is the largest island in the Caribbean. It is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and beautiful landscapes. Havana, the capital city, is famous for its well-preserved colonial architecture and lively atmosphere. It is known for its vibrant music, dance, and art scenes, as well as its colonial architecture and revolutionary history. Hispaniola is the second largest island in the Greater Antilles. It is shared by two countries, the Dominican Republic and Haiti. While Cuba is larger in size, Hispaniola has a higher population due to its division into two separate countries. Haiti is the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere, but also has a rich cultural heritage that draws from African, French, and indigenous influences. The Dominican Republic is one of the most visited countries in the Caribbean, thanks to its diverse landscape of mountains, forests, beaches, and lakes. Jamaica is the third largest island in the Greater Antilles. It is famous for its reggae music, Rastafarian culture, and jerk cuisine. Kingston, the capital city, is a vibrant and bustling hub of culture and entertainment. Puerto Rico is the smallest island in the Greater Antilles. It is an unincorporated territory of the United States, but also has its own distinct identity and culture.